Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is me Muhammad Jebreel and welcome back to new video. So today I will be talking about an important topic, which is why we should learn a new language. This topic is very important for the one who thinks that why should we learn a new language. They think that language is not important in our life. They think that language just wastes our time. So today I will be talking about 5 main benefits of learning a new language, and which is so important. So first of all, let's move to our topic. So the first benefit that I will talk about is that it boosts your brain. How it boosts our brain? Now, if we are learning a new language, like, it is exercise for our brain, because we are using our brain in this. We are memorizing new words, we are taking or we are spending our time in it. So that's why everything or whatever we are learning, it is because of the help of brain. So that's why it boosts our brain. Our memory can be boosted, because if we are learning new languages, so we and that stores in our memory. So because of this, our memory would be also be good, and it would also boost. So that's why it boosts our brain, which is very important, and because of this, our brain will be working very good and in a good way. So let's move to our second benefit, and that is that because of learning a new language, it will help you to get more job opportunities. Why? It is because nowadays most of the businesses wants that job or that people for a job who knows or who have learned many languages. So if they are multilingual, so the business would choose you for a job, and because of this, many opportunities would be available for you, because they are international businesses, and international businesses from every place. There are from every place in the world people come and they take things from it. So if that customer, or if you won't know that language what the customer is speaking, so because of this, there will be misconvenience or a problem in your business. So that's why every person who knows different languages, the business, or they would have more job opportunities. So let's move to the third point, and that is travel becomes more easier. How travel becomes more easier? Now, if you are traveling all over the world and you know many different languages, so if you go to separate or different countries, you would know what language to speak, how to speak that language, or you would know the local language. So because of this, you would be able to communicate with the local and easily live in that place. So that's why if you would know different languages, because of this, the travel would become more easier. You would know what to do, you would know how to communicate with the local people, and because of this, everything would be easy and good for you. So that was that travel would become more easier. Let's move to the next point, and that is that it connects you with more people. If you are learning a new language, so wherever you go, and the person who is speaking, you would get to know that what is he speaking. So because of this, you would know how to communicate with him, you would know what to say with him and how to speak with him. So because of this, you would connect with more people. So wherever you go, you would know that language, you would be able to know that language, and you can communicate with that people, you can make new friends, and you can enjoy with them. So that's why it let you connect with more people, because of new language, because you know their language and you know how to speak with them or how to communicate with them. So because of this, you connect with more people. And the last benefit, that it is also helps you in your first language. Now if you are learning many languages and you know the grammar and structures, so it will also help you in your own language, because you would know how to speak properly, you would know how to communicate properly and effectively with the people who are with you. So that's why it is very important, and because of this, it would also help your first language to be a little bit more improved, and would let you speak more and in a good way in your first language. So these were the main 5 benefits of learning a new languages in this world, and these are very important. And learning a new language is very important, because nowadays there are many languages. Everyone, if you are starting a business, people would come, customers would come, you would know how to communicate with them. You should learn new languages. Don't learn it full, only you can learn 50%, 30%. So because of this, you would be able to communicate with them in a good way. So that's why it is very important to learn a new languages, and there are many benefits of learning a new languages. So this was all about today's topic. I hope you have learned a lot of things from it. We will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.